Hey all, and welcome back. Today, we're going to look at another Linux distribution, very popular one, Linux Mint. Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Click that notification bell, tells you when I upload new videos. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a like and check out Discord server as well. Link in the description. Let's have a look at this one. So we're going to just run through the install like we did with Pop OS. Hopefully we won't have so many problems like we did with that one. So looking at my screen, you'll see I'm at the boot menu. So we're going to go onto the SanDisk and we're going to go straight into that. Start Linux Mint 20.3 Cinnamon 64. Now for memory, I've used this before. For memory, this should boot into a live environment and we can install from there. We'll just do that like we did with Pop OS while we're waiting for it to boot up. Don't forget to drop questions down in the comments below. I'm going to be doing a Q&A, questions and answers, for my 1000th subscriber when I get there. Let me know what you think, and any questions you want answered, just pop it in there. It can be there, or it can be Discord, or it can be on Twitter. I'll read it all. Just let me know if you're happy for me to use that in a video, and maybe you'll see it in an upcoming video. Okay, so we've got Linux Mint, and we're at the desktop. So let's install this quickly. Yeah, English UK. We'll install the codecs. Why not? So again, what we're going to do is we're going to just check this out for everyday use. Email, web browsing, office applications, that kind of stuff. So let's install Linux Mint alongside Pop. No. Erase the disk and install Linux Mint. Let it do that. Hopefully it won't take too long. Yep. Allow those changes. Yes, we're in London. What's my name? So we'll let it copy its files over. I say let it, it's going to do it anyway, unless I turn off the computer, which I'm not going to do because otherwise I wouldn't be testing it. Hopefully it won't take too long. I wonder if we can get away with doing it in real time. What do you reckon? I'm going to say I'll need to speed this up a bit. Almost finished copying files. So this has a featured software and services and some helpful little tips. No, there's no tips, just features. Although what they call features is featured software. Okay, fair enough. It's going to install LibreOffice. That's a good start. And Steam again. So we'll try Steam again on here. Minecraft. I could do a Minecraft server setup on FreeBSD if anyone's interested. Let me know in the comments if you're interested in that. I'll do that. Okay, virtualization stuff. That's good. Customization. Very nice. We'll just let it finish off. I might do a video on what's faster, Windows or Linux. I'm guessing that Pop OS is probably the fastest installer so far, and then maybe against FreeBSD, although that's not a fair comparison because an install of FreeBSD can take like a minute and a half, but then it doesn't give you a graphical interface, so it's not really a fair comparison, whereas this installs pretty much everything you need for a desktop. So yeah, probably not a fair comparison. So while it's doing that, let's have a quick look around here. So where's the system settings? Look at the system info. Does see the graphics card straight off the bat. That's nice to see. Is that figuring grub? And it's finished. Let's restart. See what the desktop looks like, shall we? Remove the install media and press enter. Okay, if you insist. It's all my USB sticks, each with something different on. Different OS on each one. Okay, so logging in. First steps. I like that. It's quite nice that you can do that. This is quite helpful, actually. We'll install the latest NVIDIA driver. Might as well. It's using the NV driver at the moment, but we'll use the NVIDIA one. Yeah, I like this. Quite a good start. Let's launch the software manager, get a few things up and running. See if Chrome is in their store, shall we? There it is. Excelente. Yep. So we'll do that. And Thunderbird is already installed. That's good. Fans are ramping up. Interesting. Install Steam. LibreOffice is already installed. Let's check that out, see what version it is. Hopefully it's the latest version already. 6472. It's interesting. I think. Well, now that's interesting. So latest version is 734. And this is only on 6.4. It's quite old. Let's restart for NVIDIA. Why not? And then we'll just run through the updates. Let them run in the background. Boots up very quickly. Got to give it that. Boots up a lot quicker than Windows 11, that's for sure. So let's run updates. There's probably a few. While that's going on, let's take a quick look at. We know what Google Chrome's like. And we know what Thunderbird's like. So they're both installed. That's great. We don't really need to do that. Feels quite snappy. System info. Yeah. Yeah, why not? Let them have the information. Don't really need to do much there. So let's have a look at the theming. Oh, that's not. That's not theming. Obviously, there's a few desktop backgrounds that we can choose there. But I'm more interested in themes. Let's have a look, see what's there. Probably won't move away from what's already there, but there's quite a lot of themes for the next mint. Windows 10 basic one. Interesting. Probably find that there'll be a Windows 11 one pop up soon, or a Mac OS. Ugh. So lots of customization to be had. Let's just check out what it feels like on YouTube. Won't sign in this time. Probably no point.
Today, we're going to just cover what you do
720?
installed FreeBSD.
Always
So you
defaults to
followed my
720
guide
on Linux. Wonder why.
and you've got FreeBSD.
But it looks good at
installed.
4K, so that's
Welcome
pretty
back
good.
to the channel, and thanks.
Yeah,
for
Linux Mint
joining
is
me.
a
Don't
viable
forget to
option.
Give the channel a subscribe, and
Does make
give
me
that a
wonder
thumbs
what
up.
software is
It really does
available,
help
but
me. Don't forget to
that will skew any results because I have a specific case need, and I don't think it's fair for me to start looking at software. So I'm not going to do that. But you know, you've got your package manager there, preferences, settings, whole kit and caboodle. It's fairly well thought out. It's got Audacity, yeah, like to see that. Anyway, what do you think, guys? Anybody like this version of Linux? It's not bad, you know. It's quite impressive. So while we've been doing this video, it's almost finished its updates. That's pretty speedy. Not bad at all. I could see myself using this if it wasn't for the obvious failings that all open source operating systems seem to have for me. I think I'm really stuck with Windows or Mac OS. You know what? That's okay. I can live with Windows. It's not ideal, obviously. There are issues there, but here's what it is. Anyway, what do you guys think? Linux Mint all right, or is it a bit too newbie? I like it. It's quite nice. Let me know in the comments below what you think. And as always, if you find the video useful, please give it a thumbs up. Really appreciated. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon to give you notifications of when I release new videos. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care.